Oh!
Ryan,
Oh! No foxes! You know what? Fuck that. Give me some. Open it. Open it. Give me that shit.
No fact.
Give me that shit. You think you can just say no foxes? Okay, Fishy. Merry Christmas from Rage Fam.
Oh God, it's so good.
Red Dog's too small though. Red Dog, jump up. Yeah. Red Dog, Merry Christmas from Rage Fam. And they're pizza flavored? That's not too bad.
Wait, you're handing it to me like I'm gonna do that.
I'm not gonna eat a whole one.